Setting up AWS Application Discovery Service for on-premises data center data gathering. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. As organizations increasingly migrate their workloads to the cloud, understanding the existing on-premises environment becomes crucial for a smooth transition. AWS Application Discovery Service, ADS, is an invaluable tool in this process, helping gather data from your on-premises data center to streamline your AWS migration. This podcast will guide you through setting up AWS Application Discovery Service for effective data gathering. Why use AWS Application Discovery Service? AWS Application Discovery Service automates collecting detailed information about your on-premises servers, including their configurations, dependencies, and usage. This information is essential for planning a successful migration to AWS, as it helps identify the best migration strategy and estimate costs. Key features of AWS Application Discovery Service. Comprehensive data collection. Gather detailed information about your servers, including CPU, memory, storage, and network usage. Application dependency mapping. Understand the relationships and dependencies between different applications. Security and compliance. Ensure your data is handled securely throughout the discovery process. Integration. With AWS Migration Hub, seamlessly integrate collected data with AWS Migration Hub for a unified migration tracking experience. Step-by-step guide to setting up AWS Application Discovery Service. 1. Create an AWS account. If you still need to do so, create an AWS account. This will give you access to the AWS Management Console to manage your services. 2. Set up AWS Identity and Access Management, Create IAM roles and policies to ensure your discovery agents have the necessary permissions to collect data. Ensure the roles are assigned to the correct AWS Application Discovery Agent Access Policy. 3. Install AWS Application Discovery Agents. Download and install the Discovery Agent on your on-premises servers. The agents will collect data and send it to the AWS Application Discovery Service. 4. Configure the Discovery Agent. During installation, configure the agents to connect to your AWS account. You'll need to provide the IAM role credentials and configure network settings to allow the agents to communicate with AWS. 5. Start data collection. Once the agents are installed and configured, they collect data from your servers. This data is then sent to the AWS Application Discovery Service for processing. 6. View collected data in AWS Management Console. Log in to the AWS Management Console and navigate the AWS Application Discovery Service dashboard. Here, you can view the collected data, analyze server performance, and understand application dependencies. 7. Analyze and plan your migration. Use the gathered data to plan your migration strategy. The insights from the Application Discovery Service will help you identify which applications to migrate first, understand potential challenges, and estimate costs. Best practices for using AWS Application Discovery Service. Regular data collection. Periodically collect data to ensure you have up-to-date information about your on-premises environment. Monitor agent performance. Ensure the discovery agents run smoothly and promptly address issues. Data security. Implement robust security measures to protect the data collected by the discovery agents. Integration with other AWS services. Leverage other AWS services, like AWS Migration Hub and AWS Database Migration Service, for a comprehensive migration solution. Conclusion. Setting up the AWS Application Discovery Service is a critical step in the migration journey to AWS. Following the steps outlined in this podcast, you can effectively gather data from your on-premises data center, enabling a smoother and more informed migration process. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.